guys, I'm flipping some burgers. You know I'm halfway through. What's up, Soul Squad? Happy Monday, everybody. Oh my God, welcome to my kitchen. We are doing patty melts. Something that's good and delicious, something that you're gonna love. And you know, it's just hamburger and cheese and caramelized onions. Okay. Hey, did everybody have a great weekend? I hope you enjoyed yourself. Everybody made it home safe. Hey, we're on the couch was fantastic. Thanks to everybody who tuned in. We are back on the couch. It's going to be better than ever. I am so excited. Welcome to my new Soul Squad members. Guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, we're going to do patty melts. And I'm going to let you know everything you're going to need. See, I have a big family, so we got a big thing of hamburger, but you may not need a big thing of hamburger. You need some rye bread. I mean, your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. You don't have to use rye bread. Maybe some type of Italian bread, but it's typically made with rye bread. Now this bread is seedless. It has no seeds in it, so I really like this right here. So what ingredients, guys? You need like an onion, some pepper, parsley flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, whatever it is that you use to season your hamburger mix with, that's what you do. So, and you need 2 eggs because you gotta have a binder. Okay, so let's get started. Put my eggs to the side, guys. Get my hamburger out. And you know, just know my family size. So this is almost 4 pounds of hamburger, and that's a lot, you know, to feed me and my family. And you don't have to use ground beef. You could use turkey burger. If you want turkey burger, you can use turkey burger. But I'm using ground beef today, and I'm using both sides. I already washed the hands. So going in, guys, but the hands has been washed. Oh, you know what? Every time you start doing something, you itch. Why my eye itch? But I'm gonna let it itch for a while. So you just move and put this to the side. Make this be my trash pile for now. Okay? Eye itching. Okay, so my hamburger, let me wipe my hands. I'm gonna get these eggs first of all. The egg is the binder, guys. This is quick, it's easy. Your family's gonna enjoy it. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it. I think I'm gonna like it. This weather is changing. I woke up this morning with a cold, everybody. The nose is running. I'm adding in my hamburger. Look, I'm adding in my hamburger. I'm adding in my pepper. And again, whatever seasons that you use to season your turkey meat, to season your ground beef, you probably can try this with some chicken, ground chicken. You know, whatever meat that you're into these days. I can't really tell you how much seasoning. It's all about you and your taste and what you like. We're going for some onion powder, some parsley flakes, some pepper, and garlic powder. That's what we're going in with this today, guys. And of course the 2 eggs is to bind it all together. Yeah, that's a lot. So I want to get that flavor. I'll put my pan on, put it like on a medium heat. And let's go in. Now everybody said to your hands, you gotta do this one. Go in with the hands. Get the seasoning all up in there. And if you want, you can add a little bit. Some people just do salt and pepper, you know, but make sure you put enough salt and pepper to get that ground beef nice and seasoned, you know. Roll around with it in your hands, get it up together. We making patty melts. And if you don't know what a patty melt is, to me, it's a cross with a cheeseburger and a grilled cheese. And whatever type of cheese you want, you could use like Swiss cheese, provolone cheese, pepper jack cheese, American white cheese, whatever you want. It's whatever floats your boat. Floats your boat. So yeah. So we're gonna, I don't know how many burgers it's gonna make. It's gonna make enough that I need for my family. So yeah, there you go. I know I got enough seasoning because I can smell the seasoning in the burger. So I'm just gonna take this piece right here. I'm gonna do it in a bowl. And I'm just gonna flatten it out. I'm gonna flat it out.
She about to put the rug in there in like 2 weeks.
Hear that sizzling? That pan was hot. It was ready. My pan is big enough to do at least 3. These are going to be wonderful. Tell me your family is not going to like these. They're going to love them. Yeah, I got enough for 3. Making them big, making them round, but also making them flat. I gotta turn that fire up. Bam! Let them cook. Let me wash my hands, put these seasonings up, and we'll be back when it's time to flip these burgers. And then we're gonna get the cheese and the onions. Guys, we'll be back. Guys, I'm flipping some burgers. You know I'm halfway through. And I noticed about burgers, what I'm gonna tell you guys is that the plastic stuff. Typically, I ain't trying to pop no grease on my cameraman, guys. Is that don't smash your burgers. I never smash a burger, because when you smash your burger, you smashing all the juice. You smashing all the juice out of it. Who want a dry burger? You gotta have a juicy burger, guys. I got 1 burger left. These are my burgers. They down here. And I got 1 burger left. We're gonna finish these burgers off, and we're gonna come back. We're gonna put this patty melt together. Show you guys how I caramelize those onions. It's gonna be a good sandwich in the house tonight. It's Saturday night. What you eating for dinner?
You know that.
Okay guys, we're back. My burgers are done. I have my pan cleaned out. I put in some fresh oil, about a tablespoon, so I could caramelize some onions. So I got a nice large sweet yellow onion here. The pan is getting hot. Always when you caramelizing onions, take this back off. Always make sure that pan is hot, because you never do put in onions in a cold pan. You want that pan to be nice and hot. Then you just peel that skin off just like that. I don't have no fingernails. Ooh. I'm trying to take the skin off. Here we go. Girl, live action drama. Just take your onions and you cut them. I'm doing a lot of sandwiches, guys. So everybody probably pretty much will have onions on there, except for mine. Cause me don't get down with the onions. Me don't get down. That's my own song. I'm excited. My son Andy just came in the recording studio, and he recorded a song. And I'm singing the song. The song sounds amazing. And I'm like, oh my goodness, you sound so good. I got a big old smile. Had a big old smile on my face and everything. He sounded so good. I'm like, shoot, dude, you gonna do an LP? What's up? He sounded good, y'all. I bet he can sing. Hey, so this pan is hot. On there with the onions. And we're gonna cook them. I'm turning the stove down just a little bit to maybe 3. And we're just going to cook them until they're nice and soft and down and brown. We're going to caramelize these onions. Woo. They're starting to get brown. Not that much grease. But what I am going to add in here, I got butter, but I grabbed the margarine. So if you have butter, margarine, or whatever, I'm going to grab like a teaspoon of butter. And just go up in there. That little bit of grease. We're going to let this one be a good sandwich. Man, what do you do with your family on a Saturday night, guys? I was just like, you know, You gotta make this video for Monday. Y'all want this for Ooh. Onion down. Back in the pan. Waste not, want not. Yes, look at that. We're gonna let these just cook down, people. And while that's cooking down, you can like clean up your mess, get your bread ready, get your burger ready. Now this is gonna cook. This is gonna take a little bit, about 4 to 5 minutes, because that's I want them soft, want them brown, want them tasty. How I know they're gonna be tasty? I don't even eat onions. I let everybody else tell me that they're tasty. But yes, look at that. Just frying onions alone, you think you're a masterpiece in the kitchen. And like, oh my God, Angie walked through the house and said, oh, it smells so good in here. I said, I'm making a video. I'm making those patty melts. He was like, I knew. He said, I knew it. That's why I was like, I had to hurry up and get home. I said, well, you home, boy. I said, you got here just in time. We still in the middle of the video. So you on time. I'm going to stop touching them. I'm going to do what they do. Got my stove on the medium heat. And I'm going to let it cook. I'm going to clean up this mess. I got my rye bread. You don't have to. You can use like Italian bread. I got a seedless white bread. So yeah, we're going to put this together. Let me clean. I might got to leave these onions out. I don't know if this is going to be enough, but let me clean up around the onions. I might just leave this bad boy right there. Get this together. Leave my knife right there. My burger is ready. That burger is ready. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. Yes. And I got my cheese. You know how when you get the cheese with no wrapping on it, you gotta always store it away in the sandwich bag because around the cheese get hard and everything, and you can't use it. So whenever you get that cheese that has no wrapping, make sure you store it in a Ziploc bag in your refrigerator. The sandwich bag is that quick and easy. Make the cheese last longer. Okay guys, my onions are ready. They're not the best caramelized onions because I know sometimes you can put a little brown sugar in them. I've seen it done. My kids didn't want that sweetness because that actually helped them, you know, get the way they need to get. But, you know, my kitchen my way, your kitchen your way. My son was like, nah, that's good enough. I like that. He didn't want the sugar in it. But, you know, when you caramelize an onion, add a little bit of brown sugar with the butter and stuff. It'll help cook them, get them the way you really want them. But that's either here or there. They look good enough for that patty melt. Tell me they don't. Yeah, they do. Okay, so get your bread together. It is your rye bread. First thing you do is wipe the pan out. I'm just going to take a paper towel. Get rid of the grease. Got my pan turned down low. Look at that. That pan getting hot. Put in some margarine. If you got your butter, put in your butter, put in your margarine. I'm going for my margarine. Pull out the bread of your choice. Hey, you probably use regular white bread. White bread. Regular white bread. This is a seedless rye bread I chose to go with. I like that Italian bread because it's long like this. It's long like this. Now, I'm just using regular cheese, American yellow cheese, the thick kind. You know, from Aldi's. That's my store. Again, the cheese choice is up to you guys. It's your house. Pepper jack cheese, Swiss cheese, provolone cheese. Whatever cheese you like. It's your house. It's your kitchen. It's your family. It's your kitchen your way. My kitchen my way. Put these two right here. Yeah. That's some cheese for you, boo. Put these two right here. Take your burger, center it. Take your onions. How much you want? I don't know how much you want. That's too much. Ooh. They like onions in here, but not that much. So put them onions on there. Then you do just like this. It's as simple as that. Take it, put it in that pan with that butter. And let it cook, y'all. Let it cook. This is a patty melt. Saturday night special. Look, my granddaughter screaming. Saturday night special in the house. It's on the medium. It's a cheeseburger and grilled cheese explosion with some good onions. Like good kernel onions be sweet. My kids didn't want that sweetness. So, you know, I'm gonna put in the recipe to add like a teaspoon of sugar, of brown sugar to this to get it the way you need it. Remember, I'm cooking for my family, so I gotta cook the way they want me to cook because I don't need nobody wasting the food around here. They gotta eat it. And yes, I'm using my hands. We just let it cook. It's like making a grilled cheese. While it's doing what it's doing on this side, let me wipe this mess up, get my plate ready. Because when we come back and flip it, we're going to cut it. Ooh, I'm so excited. And then I got a whole bunch of them to make. Y'all get to see this one when this camera go down. I got to make about 5 or 6 more. But it's off camera. I'll be back. Okay, guys. Let's see if the flip is ready. You can tell the cheese melting at the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. And it needs to stay a little bit more on the other side to get a little bit more browner. Yes, well look at that. You see the crispiness? We're gonna let that crisp up. We're gonna let the cheese melt. I like the way that's coming out. Guys, we're back. Look at this patty melt. Look at the cheese coming down on it. I mean, how can you go wrong with this? It's a burger between rye bread. You can't go wrong with that. Ooh, and it's hot. Guys, we think I should cut it right down the middle like this. It's hot. It's got onions. Listen to the crunch. Look at that. Well, look at it this way. It doesn't matter. But that is my patty melt. You can't go wrong with this guy. It's a quick, easy sandwich. It's a grilled cheese with burger and onions. Oh my God, it's delicious. Well, I don't know, I don't eat onions. Mine's gonna be about onions. But guys, I wanna give a shout out to a YouTuber. She has a cooking channel. Her name is Juja Viga. Say it again. Hey, the link's gonna be there. It sounds French. Forgive me if I messed it up. I'ma say it again. Juja Viga. I messed it up. Don't ask me to give you a shout out with a complicated name because I will mess you up. I'm gonna say it again. My son gonna do the playback. I'm keeping it real. If it's difficult, I can't say it. I'm sorry. Okay, we gonna get this name together. Shout out to you, honey. Thank you for supporting my channels. Okay, yeah, he's gonna play it for you guys.
It's Jujufica.
Jujufica. Ooh, that's so exotic. Jujufica. Ooh, that's French. Jujufica. Her link's gonna be below. Go check her out. Like, share, subscribe. My patty melt, my kitchen, my way, your kitchen, your way. Until my next video. Guys, have a great Monday. I'm out.